Want to unlock your skin's true radiance with the True Beauty Glow device? Let's dive in. First, preparation is key. Start with a clean face using your favorite cleanser. This removes dirt and oil, allowing the device to work effectively. Next, apply a thin layer of your favorite hydrating serum or the conductive gel that came with your device to your face. This helps the device glide smoothly and enhances product absorption. Now, power on your True Beauty Glow device and gently glide it across your face in upward and outward motions. Avoid the delicate eye area unless the device has a specific eye attachment. Focus on areas like your jawline, cheekbones, and forehead, spending a few seconds on each area. Remember to maintain light pressure, don't press too hard. After each use, clean the device with a soft, damp cloth. This prevents buildup and keeps it hygienic. Store your device in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight. And that's it. Consistent use, 2 to 3 times a week, will reveal your skin's ultimate glow. You will see the difference in a consistent use. Unlock your true beauty, one glow at a time.